Hi, in front of me I have OnePlus 9 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to clear the credentials on this device. First, let's open the settings. To do it, swipe upwards on the screen to open the app menu, scroll down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll down and tap on the security and lock screen. Here, scroll down, find the option called encryption and credentials and tap on it. And here, select clear credentials. Then tap OK to confirm and remove your credentials. Like this. And as you can see, it says credential storage is cleaned. And that's how you clear the credentials on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.